I'm going to show you how to pick up stitches purlwise along a horizontal edge. This technique works along both the cast on as well as the bind off. I'm going to show you along the cast on. So I have a swatch here of stockinette stitch, and I have the wrong side facing. I have one needle, and I have a contrast yarn for demonstration purposes. So as we learned in the other video, when you pick up on the knitwise, you identify these V's closest to the edge, and that's where you want to insert your needle. Same is true when you're picking up purlwise, except you'll be inserting your needle from the back to the front. So find that V, insert your needle from the back to the front. With your yarn in front, wrap your yarn around the needle purlwise, and then use the tip of the needle to pull that yarn to the back of the fabric. Let's do that again. Insert your fabric from the back to the front, wrap your needle, pull it through. That's 2 stitches. As you can see, I'm working into each stitch along the cast on edge. Ooh, missed that one. Let's do that again. Here we go. There we go. Insert your needle, wrap the yarn, pull it through. You can use this same technique along the vertical edge, but you'll be picking up fewer stitches. Here, I'll show you what it looks like from the front. There you go. That's picking up purlwise.